Just a short drive, about 10 kilometers south of Da Nang, is Nuoc stone carving village and the Marble Mountains. Let's go! Five marble and limestone hills rising out of the flatlands south of Da Nang, each one named for a natural element. Thoi San, also known as the Water Mountain, is where we went. The complex is bigger than it looks from the outside. Pagodas, shrines, courtyards, all carved into and built around the stone itself. You could spend a full day here and still miss something. The one thing I really wanted to find was the cave I found on the map.
Okay, so there's two ways to do this. Forward or backwards?
Yeah, it's very narrow steps.
Well, backwards isn't a bad idea.
It is not cool in here.
It's hard to say just how tight this little hole is that we're crawling up through here, but I think it'll be worthwhile. Hey, that's the hole. And let's see what else we can do. Without question, it was worthwhile.
Let's go sit in the shade over there, shall we? Good view.
After working my way back down from the peak and having a nice beverage, we wandered into this courtyard and I found a place. Wow, you know, I could live here. Yep, a couple of them talking back and forth. The frogs clearly disagreed about something we'd never found out. Now there is the view. There she is. Almost thought we lost you. The mountain is sacred, but that wasn't the only stone we were working with today. Just a couple minutes down the road from the mountain sits a village that has built its entire identity around what comes out of them. Marble carvers, generations of them. The variety is genuinely staggering. And if you're a Doctor Who fan, I did not see any weeping angels, thankfully. This is apparently where deals get made. The orange marble alone was worth the trip. Sheila found a pair of guardian lions, and she couldn't hesitate. They'll be shipped directly to Minnesota. The mountain is following her home, whether she planned for it or not.
Thanks for watching, and if you haven't yet, subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next.